Hello all, welcome to chapter 18 from the book of 1 Samuel. In the beginning of this chapter, we see after meeting Saul, David met Jonathan. Saul kept David with him and did not let him return home to his family. There was an immediate bond between David and Jonathan loved David as much as he loved himself. Jonathan made a covenant with David by giving his robe, armor, and sword to David. We then see Saul made David leader of his army. Once after battle, when Saul and David returned home, they met women who were singing and dancing. The women sang that Saul had killed thousands and David had killed 10,000s. That day on, Saul was jealous of David. The same day, Saul was disturbed by the evil spirit. Like the other times, David played the harp for Saul. This time, there was a spear near Saul, and Saul hurled the spear towards David to kill him. However, David escaped. Saul then removed David from his presence. David was made a captain of 1,000 in the army. Saul was afraid of David. However, all of Israel loved David. We then see Saul thought of getting David killed at the hands of the Philistines. For this to happen, Saul says to David that he will give his daughter Merab as wife to David. But first, David was to prove that he was a warrior by going into battle against the Philistines. David in response says that he was not worthy enough to marry Merab. When the time came for Saul to give his daughter in marriage to David, he gave her instead to Adriel. We then see Saul's daughter Michal loved David. This pleased Saul, and Saul thought of taking this as an advantage to trap David. Saul instructs his servants to talk to David and convince him to marry Saul's daughter. When David is approached by the servants, David informs that he was no match to marry the daughter of the king. The servants inform Saul about David's response. Saul then asks the servants to inform David that Saul does not want any dowry. Instead, David was to give 100 Philistine foreskins as vengeance on Saul's enemies. This Saul wanted so that David would be killed by the Philistines. David agrees and then kills 200 Philistines and gives 200 foreskins to Saul. David is then married to Michal. Towards the end of this chapter, we see Saul continued to be afraid of David for the rest of his days. David gained more and more popularity as he kept having success in battles against the Philistines. This is how the chapter ends. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Until next time, may God bless us all. Bye bye.